starting my walk toward Heart Lake, the Heart Lake Trail out of the Duck Pass Trailhead up by the Mammoth Mine. First time I've done this hike, maybe in a couple of years. I'll just go as far as I'm comfortable, then I'm going to record part of this hike. It's a nice flow going in the creek coming out of the Duck Pass Trailhead. And of course, over here to our left is famous Mammoth Mine. So continuing up the trail, I'll take a few shots along the way, but let's get this board before we start. So if you look through those trees up there, you'll see some of the structures in the Mammoth Mine. Here's this board, and here's the trailhead in front of us. It was about this time that I discovered that I had no cell service, and I had neglected to tell anyone what I was doing and where I was going. So I thought it wise to turn around at this point and head back down to the Consolidated Mammoth Mine and maybe take a walk through the mine property and do Heart Lake another day. Let's take a little walk through the remnants of the Mammoth Consolidated Mine. This was really active in around 1870 or so. I think they tried to revive it in the 1920s. Not a lot of gold found here, but not without effort. This is a good example again of entropy at work, the second law of thermodynamics. Things tend to go into a disordered state after they've been ordered if you don't keep them up. So what I've always said is it takes energy to overcome entropy, and energy costs money. So once people either don't have the money or are not willing to spend the money, then they turn it over to entropy. And this is what you're going to see. A lot of trees in here, can't fly the drone, but I think I'm going to head down. I'm going to go down to the Beauregard Mine, and there I should be able to see some open space to fly the drone. Also thinking about flying the drone around the Lake Mary Marina. See if I can get a spot there. So there you have it.